So when I was a little kid, my parents had a Bronco, and I've always wanted one. So when I got mine, the plan was always to completely restore it, a Resto-Mod style. So that's what we're doing now. I'm finally old enough where I can afford to do it. That's what the wait was about. So far, everything seems to be going better than planned. Chassis was in good shape, body needs a lot of help, but you know, we've got the guts of a great vehicle here. So I'd say we're doing well. Just ready to get it out on the road.
For the body, we had it sandblasted, and we found out that it was in worse condition than we originally had thought. We looked at it and decided that it would be a better overall product to assemble a new body from scratch than it was to try and repair his. So far we have stripped the chassis down to a bare frame, firewheeled it, cleaned and painted it, removed any old brackets that have been welded to the frame over time, as long as making necessary repairs due to age, rust repair around some of the body mounts. Then we reassembled with an almost entirely new suspension, brought the vehicle's lift height down so it would be more stable at highway speeds.
When it's done, we're going to take it on some long trips. We're going to take it through all of Central America, down to Panama. Then we're going to come back, and then we're going to drive it to Arizona. So it's going to have a lot of miles over the next 5 years. So we're going to do some long road trips with it.